Good morning students, and once again welcome to your EVS class. Dear students, this is your first class after your half-yearly examination. Today I am going to teach you lesson 13 in the neighborhood given in page number 23 of your EVS book, that is Notice Nature. So all of you, please take out your EVS book, page number 23. Today we will read about in the neighborhood. Have you ever heard about this term neighborhood? Do you know who are our neighbors? Whom do we call as neighbors? And what is neighborhood? In this lesson, I will teach you about neighbors and neighborhood. Neighbors. First of all, we will know about neighbors. What do you mean by neighbors? Neighbors are the people. Neighbors are the people who live around us. Neighbors are the people who live around our houses, who live near around our houses. So the person who lives around our house are called as neighbors. And the places near around our house are called as neighborhood. As children, you might have seen that if there is wherever you live, you have seen that many people around your house. There are many houses just in front of your house, in back of your house, and the person who lives in that houses are your neighbors. So, the persons who lives near our house are called as neighbors, and the places near our house, near the place where we live, are called as neighborhood. So, the person who lives around our house are called as neighbors, and the places where we live, where we live around that area are called as neighborhood. So, in this lesson, we will learn about various kinds of places around in our neighborhood. You can see in your book, these pictures. There are many pictures given in page number 23 of your EVS book. The first picture is hospital. Dear children, have you seen any hospital or in your neighborhood? Yes, you can see hospital near your house or small health centers. These are our neighborhoods. These are the places which you will find near around your house. So these places come under neighborhood. Hospital. What do we do in hospital? When we fall sick or when we need medicine or first aid, we go to hospital. In the hospital, whom do you see? In the hospital, you can see doctors, nurses, dresser, and many other people, and patients also. So these are the people whom you will find in the hospital. Why do we go to hospital, children? When we fall ill and we need treatment, we go to hospital. Okay, children? Next place in our neighborhood that you can see or find is school. Yes, children. You For reading or writing purposes, we go to school to learn, to study. We go to school to study. And what do you do there? You learn how to read, how to write, how to draw, how to paint, and you learn many things, many games, many exercises, music, dancing, painting, many things you learn in the school. So school also comes under neighborhood. Next is, in the next picture you can see it is a bank. Have you ever visited to bank? No or yes? Yes, children. Bank is a place where, what do you mean by bank? Bank is a place where we can deposit or withdraw our money, where we can keep our precious things, jewelries also, where we can keep our money, our jewelries. So, bank is a place which keeps our things safe, and we used to deposit or withdraw money from bank. There are many banks in our area such as SBI, State Bank of India, BOI, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, ICICI, your bank through which your parents pay fees. So these are the various banks which you can find in your neighborhood. Next is post office. Children, you can see this picture. This is a post office. How does a post office help us? It provides us services. Post office provides us services, postal services. We can drop our letters in post office. We can drop our letter in post office, and the postman, a person, whom do we call as postman, children? A person who delivers letters are called as postman. A person who delivers letter is called as postman. So, you can see postman in the post office. Post office helps us to provides us postal services. You can buy many postal stamps from the post office, and you can also drop your letter, and you can send things through post office. And one more service that you can get from post office is that it also works like a bank. You can also keep your money, you can also deposit your money in post office. Next picture. This is a police station. How does a police station helps us? How does a policeman helps us? Yes, children, police station. Police station also provides service to us. They work for our safety. They work for our safety. In the police station, you will find policemen. You can find various policemen and policewomen also. They help us, they protect us from thieves, from robbers. Policemen helps us or protect us from thieves and robbers. So, and you will get policemen and policewomen inside the police station. If you missed something, you can also register your complaint. You can go to police station and register your complaint there. So, in the police station, you can see many people working there. SP, ASP, DSP, Inspector, Sub-Inspector, Head Constable, Constable, many people. These are the different posts and the different people at this post you can see in the police station. Next is market. Market. This is also a place you can also see market in your neighborhood. Market. How does a market help us children? Have you ever been to market? Have you ever been to market with your parents? Yes children, we can buy many things from the market, such as you can also purchase clothes, fruits, vegetables and many toys, many things from the market. In the market, you can find many shops. In the market, you can find many shops. Whether I have bought this watch from a market. I have brought my spectacles from the market. The clothes that we wear, we all buy it from the market. Yes, in the market, you can find various shops. From a clothes shop, we purchase our dresses, our clothes. From a watch shop, I purchased my watch. From a spectacle shop, I purchased my spectacles. From an earring shop, I purchased my earrings. There are many shops you can find in the market. Or from the stationery shop, we can purchase duster, chalk and many things. You can purchase your crayons, notebook, all these things from the stationery shop. And where do you can find all these things? In the market. So market is a very important place which you can find in the neighborhood. And in every neighborhood, wherever you live, you can find a shop nearby you. You can find a shop nearby you. Next one is fire station. How does a fire station help us? Yes children, in the fire station, whenever there is a fire, you can call fire station. You can ring to number 101 to call fire station, to call firemen. The person who puts out fire is called as fireman. Fire station provides us fire services or safety services. It is for our safety. Whenever there is fire in a building or in school or in a market, we call firemen. We call in the fire stations and fireman comes to help us. Fireman comes to help us and they puts out fire by using water. But do you know one thing about fire station children? If the fire is caused by oil, the firemen use foam to extinguish the fire. All fires are not extinguished with the help of water. All fires are not extinguished with the help of water. The fire which is caused by oil are extinguished with the help of foam. So firemen helps us in many ways and they are a very important part of our life. Last but not the least of your book, this picture is of bus terminal. Bus terminal or in general terms, we call it as bus stops. Do you know, children? What do we do in bus terminal? In the bus terminals, you can see various bus. You can see various bus. In the bus terminal, people go and wait for their buses. People, you can find various people in a queue to catch different buses, to go from one place to another, to move from one place to another. So, children, suppose if you have to go from Bokaro to Dhanbad and you have to catch a bus, you will go to the bus stand. The name of the Bokaro bus stand is Naya Mode. You will go to Naya Mode bus stand and you will purchase a ticket. You will purchase a ticket and stand in a queue. When the bus comes, you will catch the bus, sit at your seat, and then you will move from Bokaro to Dhanbad or from any place to Ranchi, or if you want to go to Patratu or any nearby area, or if in the you can also wait in the bus terminal to go to your school. When the school reopens, you can use your school bus to come to school. So in the bus terminal, people used to wait for their bus, and people catch their bus to move from one place to another. Bus terminal is also called as bus stop. What are the other places you can see in your neighborhood? Children, apart from all these places, apart from hospital, school, bank, post office, fire station, police station, market, bus terminal, can you name some of the places that you can find in your neighborhood? Yes, park. Park is a place where we go for jogging, where children go for playing and doing exercises. Yes, children. Park also comes under neighborhood. Park also comes under neighborhood. And so these are the places which comes under neighborhood. So what you have read today? You have read about, all of you read about neighbors and neighborhood. What do you mean by neighbors? Let's recall for one more time. The persons who live near around our house, are called as neighbors. The persons who live around our house are called as neighbors, and the places around our house are called as neighborhood. It's called as neighborhood. What are the different places that you can find in your neighborhood? The first one is hospital. Second is school. Third is bus terminal. The most important place, market. Police station. Bank. And so all these are the places which you will find in your neighborhood. So I hope, children, that the concept about neighbor and neighborhood is very much clear to all of you. And I hope children that you will like this video and you will watch this video at your home and you will also read this lesson too. So do take very good care of yourself and keep learning. Thank you.